you sometimes feel like your outfit just isn't balanced or pulled together? You look at other people and you think, why does she always look pulled together and I don't? Well, guess what? She might be doing a simple trick, and I'm going to tell you about it today. It's called outfit sandwiching, and it's a fun and easy way to create cohesive, balanced looks that feel polished and intentional. And the best part, it works for every body type and every style. So let's get into it right now. So what exactly is outfit sandwiching? It kind of is just how the name sounds. Let's start by picturing a delicious sandwich. The top pieces of bread match, and in between there's filling that adds contrast or interest. And that's the idea here. In fashion, it just means coordinating the colors or tones of your top and your shoes. Those are going to be your bread, while a contrasting or complementary piece in the middle is the filling. So you're actually repeating elements to create harmony while letting one piece stand out. So how does it work? I've got some really good examples for you. Let's say you start out with a white blouse and pair of dark jeans. Add a pair of white sneakers and boom, you've got a clean, balanced look, because the white on the top and the bottom ties the outfit together. Or imagine wearing a simple black dress. You could pair it with a nude colored cardigan and nude shoes. Or imagine wearing a navy sweater with camel trousers. Finish it off with a pair of navy flats. And suddenly your outfit looks cohesive and polished. This simple repetition is the secret sauce that makes your look feel like it's been styled by a pro, and you haven't even added accessories yet. And let's talk about why this works for women over 50. For women our age, outfit sandwiching is particularly helpful because it's a way to create balance without overcomplicating your look. For casual outings, here are some examples of outfit sandwiching. Now, like I said, this is suitable for every shape and size woman. So for petite women, this technique can actually create the illusion of height by leading the eye vertically through the outfit. For those with curvier, fuller figures, outfit sandwiching helps distribute attention evenly, and it provides a balanced and streamlined look. And by repeating key elements and colors, it also ensures that your outfit feels cohesive without adding any unnecessary bulk. It also helps you reuse pieces in your wardrobe in creative ways, making it a lot easier to get the most out of your wardrobe. Outfit sandwiching is a fantastic tool for building a capsule wardrobe because it encourages thoughtful repetition of colors and styles. And with the capsule wardrobe, you're not using that many pieces, so it makes it really easy to keep pulling those same pieces to mix and match with other pieces in your wardrobe. It's also a very effective tool when you're going traveling because you don't have to take shoes that go with every outfit. You can take just a few pairs of shoes, match them up with the tops, sandwich in between with skirts, dresses, bottoms, and you are going to have a very lovely travel wardrobe. And now let's get into adding accessories to our outfit sandwiching. This is a little style tip to keep in mind. If you want to add even more interest, we're going to use accessories to enhance the sandwich. For example, a lightweight scarf that echoes your top or shoes can beautifully tie the look together. A statement necklace in complementary tones can add flair, while a bag with matching details like metallic hardware or texture can pull everything into focus. Accessories like these add polish without overwhelming your outfit. Just remember not to overthink this whole thing. The goal is balance, not perfection. It's something to really have fun with and just to think about your outfits in a new way. And let's talk about why you should try outfit sandwiching. Whether you're headed out to lunch, running errands, or dressing up for a dinner date, outfit sandwiching is a trick you'll come back to again and again. The minute you start to feel overwhelmed, just put together an outfit sandwich. For lunch with friends, try a flowy midi dress paired with strappy sandals and a coordinating crossbody bag. Running errands? Go for a striped tee, denim shorts, sneakers, and a matching white tote. For a dinner date, you might try a knitted dress with metallic shoes and a clutch in a similar metallic tone to bring it all together. These examples show how outfit sandwiching can elevate your look no matter what the occasion. It's simple, it's stylish, and it makes getting dressed so much easier. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried outfit sandwiching? If not, what are you going to put together for your first outfit sandwich? Let me know in the comments. You know I love hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video.